Yeah.
Here, bud. Can you rip another one? Can you rip another one? Oh. There you go.
Have some.
Here. Ooh. What's in there? Okay, pull it out. Keep going. Oh, well, pull it off. Oh. Here. You haven't advanced much since Christmas. This is about what you could do at Christmas time. What do you say to Grandma? Thanks for the wrapping paper, Grandma. Oh, bless you. Whoa, what's that?
It's wagging, yeah, he's wagging.
Kent.
Thanks, Mom.
Over here, what is that?
Yeah, thanks.
What is that?
Oh. You showing now?
In case we don't have enough cameras.
It's a momentous occasion.
Okay, here's your next one. There you go.
More paper? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you gotta take the paper off first, silly. Ready? Pull it. Pull the paper. Pull the paper.
Good job.
Good job. Yay! Well, we can't take it out yet. Oh, he just wants to take it out of the box. There you go. Pull it off.
Get that out of my way. I
What is
want
that?
thing.
What is that, buddy? Oh, a laptop. You'll like that. Maybe you'll stop ruining mine.
Say thank you.
Say thanks.
This one's from Mom and Dad. Hey,
He just pulls it back.
you can't have it yet.
Just wait till one of yours dies and then give it to him.
We're going to.
Kent. Hey,
Here,
what have you got? Silly.
Dad
What
spent
do
so
you
much
have?
time wrapping this. I want one of those for my birthday.
Uh-huh.
Here. Okay, keep going. Here. Oh, Dad did a very good job. Here. Here you go. Can't.
Open it up, buddy.
Oh. Did you tape it to the thing?
No, I don't think so.
There you go. There you go.
What have you got? Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's Gotta love IKEA.
Little thing. Did those things go in and out or did they?
So it makes the clinking, you know.
Alright, that's...
You can grab my
The
camera.
only
Don't
trick
video
you
anymore.
can't do
but-
now you have to walk to do it.
I know.
But sometimes, I remember with some of you kids, I would give you guys a push toy like that and they thought they were holding on to something so they would walk because they thought they had hold of it.
Kent.
And it
Kent,
wasn't
what have you
stable.
got? What do you
Don't
have?
video anymore, babe.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hey, Kent! Let's get a
Here you go.
picture! Kent! Kent!
Get off my laptop.
Hey, Kent!
There you go.
Hey, Kent! Oops. Dang it. That was not good.
Oh, the flash isn't open.
Well, I did take it. Hey, Kent! Hey, Kent!
Oh, boy.
Hey, Kent!
Here. Kent. There you go.
Kent!
I think it just likes the plastic. Yes.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, memory card full. I can do it.
Here you go.
Oh, we got it.
Ellen, there's a sack right here.
Kid.
Bag. Can I get that?
Kent.
Oh, sorry.
Kent, what's this? Kent, what's this? Kent, Kent.
Oh,
No, not for
Hey.
for Ken.
Kent.
I think there might be clothes in there.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Oh,
It's a laptop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kent.
Oh!
Kent, pull it out. Kent. 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 Grab it. Grab it.
Grab it.
No, grab the hanger.
Why? Why
There you
don't
go.
want you to do
Get it. Get it.
Good job. Keep going.
Oh,
Ah, there we go.
I'm erasing Halloween pictures.
Ah, you got it.
Good job.
Oh,
Whoa,
look
say-
at that.
Wow. Thanks, guys.
That's nice.
That's way nice.
Ooh, and a hood. We love hoods. Oh, we love hoods. This is good cougar colors.
I
It's
just
always
want the
important.
hanger.
Oh, dear.
How do we get that goodness in me?
Hey, that's very cute. Let me see. Oh, that's very cute. We say thank you.
Kent.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Kent. Hey.
He's trying to figure out how to get that out of there.
Kent. Kent. You are such a Kent. Hey, Kent. Kent.
Think so.
Hey, Kent. Kent.
Hey,
Hello? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm doing well. You need to talk to my husband.
so now Dee, before you leave, can